Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create this look right here. I have a whole bunch of new e.l.f. products to try out for you. I'm going to use some old favorites of just random products, some e.l.f. products you've seen before, and then some new ones that I have never tried before from my last haul. And then they did send me a few goodies, so thank you so much for sending them. This video is not sponsored in any way. They just sent me a little care package of a few things, so I'm very excited to try it. I got like a new palette, a new eyeliner. I really love this look. This look is nothing like revolutionary for me. It's a very basic look for me, but this is one of the first times in a long time where I finished a makeup look for you guys, and I've been like, ooh, I like it. I literally loved everything new that I tried, and I can't wait for you guys to see it because e.l.f. is so stinking affordable. I'm a little bit of a smitten kitten right now with this makeup look. I really like it. I really, really do, which again, that's very rare for me to say about my own makeup look. And for me to like talk about how my skin looks, I feel like my skin looks really good. Very, very excited about these products. So if you are excited too, if you want to see what I put on my face, you're in the right place. Of course, you saw some of it in the thumbnail. But yeah, anyway, we're going to jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, we do plus size fashion, wellness, vlogs, food videos, fun stuff, kind of whatever I feel like. But it's mostly plus size fashion and beauty here on my channel. So if you're into it, stay around. Let's be friends. All right, let's jump in. All right, I've already moisturized my face. I keep putting this back in the box, but it's a good one. It's a good one. I need to actually take it upstairs. It's been like my filming hydrator because I'll come down and I always forget to moisturize. I wash my face and then I come down to film and I forget to moisturize, so I've been using this one. It's the Super Hydrate Moisturizer with Hydrating Squalene. It's a good one. It's like a gel. I guess I could show you guys. Look at her. Brrr, jiggly. It smells like nothing, which is what I prefer in a hydrator. So I'm a fan. I guess I'll throw away the box now and actually take her upstairs. We're gonna try this Jelly Pop primer. I hauled this not too long ago. I was telling you guys how Michaela on TikTok talking about how this was a dupe of the Milk Hydro Grip, and your girl just like can't bring herself to spend that much money on a primer. So we're gonna try the e.l.f. version, which was I think 10 bucks. Sticky texture. I haven't really used a primer like that in a while, so I'm excited. We're just gonna, I don't know if you can see. Probably not. You probably can't see the stick because it's not that sticky, but it's definitely sticky. Kind of smells like a Jolly Rancher in a good way. I'm always excited for a new primer. I don't remember if I've tried this. I know I own it in a different shade, but I went ahead and got a shade that I think is going to be a little bit better for me. What is this? Lily? I think this is going to be a good, not self-tan shade. So yeah, this is the Flawless Finish Foundation. I've heard good things. The ratings about this, the reviews are good. Ooh, we might need to mix. Oh yeah, we're gonna, I don't know. I have it also in Pearl. Pearl looks a little bit darker. You can see right there. Yeah, definitely. Maybe I'll just mix them because obviously it's already on my face, so we're just gonna mix them. I love that brands are coming out with foundations that are actually too fair for me. Oh my gosh, for most of my life, there was no one that had foundations light enough for me, and now they're too fair for me. I know I self-tan a lot, but I'm like, I don't even know, a week and a half since I self-tanned and showered a lot in between that time. So she's faded. This is like the only spot of tan I have left. We're a little fair, but we'll make it work. It'll be fine. I like the finish of it. It doesn't look dry at all. I don't know what it claims to be, but it looks like a satin to me. She's looking like. I need some concealer. Your girl is sleepy. I'm sleepy all the time. I think before I go in with my concealer, I'm actually gonna use, this is not gonna be 100% e.l.f., but I'm gonna try a ton of e.l.f. products. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Conceal and Define Revolution Concealer. What are words? This is 12.5. I'm gonna try and like contour a little bit just because I feel a little extra fair. Here, down here, a little bit here. We just like to wing things here, but I have been enjoying doing kind of a base contour. I still do a powder contour because we like contour here. Whoa, hopefully I can blend this in. If I need to, I'll just add a little bit more foundation or some concealer to these areas. Oh, should blend it out pretty good. And I'm gonna try and clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna take some of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in Fair Warm. I'm I'm gonna put it where I would highlight, and then I'm also gonna clean up a little bit. And put a little on the lid. This side got a little bit darker than the other one. I use this concealer all the time. I can already tell you I love this one. I prefer it over the original camo concealer personally. I just like a more hydrated under eye. This guy is another one of my like all-time favorite e.l.f. products. I am not someone that usually sets like the outside of my face. I have combo skin, so the center of my face, the T-zone, especially my nose, is oily. The rest is pretty dry. But I feel like this guy is like the perfect in-between where it keeps it set, but it doesn't make my cheeks look dry. This is the Halo Glow setting powder. I have mine in light. Set my cheek area. My chin. Just a little bit. I don't put a lot on, but just a little. I can't find my e.l.f. bronzer I was going to use. I'll still link it down below for you guys because it's super affordable and I really like it. It's the primer infused one. I don't remember the shade off the top of my head, but it's the fairest one. But I'm just going to go ahead and use this BH Cosmetics Belgian Waffle palette. I've been loving this. And I'm just going to go ahead and contour on top of where we put that cream contour. I'm going to use the shade Batter, which is the cooler toned one. This is one of those new brushes from Shop Missy, Adala by Urban Studio. It's just like the contour one. I've seen you all using that link. Thank you guys. My Shop Missy affiliate link. Thank you for that. This is a nice brush. I'll never know how they get away with just charging $1. Madness. Look that I lightened that up and then just packed it back on because that's who I am. We like a bolder contour here. A little bit of color. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just pop my brows on off camera because it's not very exciting. I'm gonna use this little Tarte Emphasize brow pencil and the Revolution soap brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. I'll be right back. It's just, I feel like brows are so boring that. Hello, are we working now? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry my sound wasn't working again. I just put on a blush. I just put on the Spiced Apple blush and I really liked it. It's very pigmented, but we're feeling it. We're feeling a fall look. So we're gonna play with the Opposite Attract palette. Pretty excited about this. I've been wanting this guy for a while, so I'm excited to have it. We're probably gonna do a warm eye look because we're gonna do a fall eye look. Ooh, do we want saucy or happy? Let's try this one, which is happy. So we're just gonna take happy. I primed them with concealer, so I'm just gonna go with it for today. I do love the eye putty primers a lot, and that would be fun to use if I had it. I will leave a recommended eye primer down below. Ooh, I like this shade. I like it, I like it, I like it. I'm gonna take that same shade, Happy, to the lower lash line. These are a little powdery, but that never really bothers me. They're pigmented, look at that, shoot. Taking Fresh, which is the cream shade in that palette, and popping it on the brow bone. It's a little bit dark for a brow bone highlight for me, but that's so not uncommon. Just dipping into a face powder of mine that's lighter. Just popping it right up there, just because I like it to, I like to have a brighter brow bone, personally. You do you, boo. Maybe we'll do warm and cool. Maybe we'll mix warm and cool tones, because that sounds like a fun time, because this shade Witty is calling to me. So let's try Witty. Kind of a neutrally cool tone brown, and I'm just gonna pop that in the crease. We're also just testing products today. It's not gonna be a revolutionary eye look. Not that any of my eye looks are revolutionary, but I love that Happy shade. I don't know why. It's just that perfect kind of dirty yellow. So far we have Happy and Witty on the eyes. Cute names. And I'm just gonna pop it down here, just on the outer half. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna take this brush to start with. I'm gonna go into Smooth because I really want to pack it on the outer corner. And I'm just gonna pop him right over here with the shadow brush. I am gonna go in with my fluffy brush after that, but I'm just adding the color. This is gonna pack it on, and then the blender is going to kind of buff it out. We're gonna brighten the lid a little bit. I'm just gonna use that e.l.f. concealer again. I love a bright lid, especially because I have hooded eyes. When I brighten the lid, whether it's an actual cut crease or just brightening the lid, it makes my eyes look bigger. Create a line along my lash line right there, and then open my eye, and it creates a little line for me. I think I want to use probably the obvious. Now she's got all the stuff on her. We're gonna use Low Key, which is this shimmery shade in the palette. Tap that on real quick. And then I'm just gonna blend it after this, obviously, because she packed on. Okay, we're just gonna blend out these edges. We are going to use Flirty Birdie, which is kind of a, it looks a lot like Kitten from Stila, but obviously a ton less. These little guys are $5. At first I was like, wow, these are really small, but honestly, I'll never go through a whole one. I mean, maybe if you're using it every single day, you'll go through it, but I never go through a whole one. We're just gonna use the applicator and just put it right on top of that other shade and try and blend the glitter a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of black liner just on the bottom lash line. Per usual, I do this every time. This one's just the Ciate one. You can use whatever one you want. So I have this H2 proof eyeliner pen from e.l.f. in Jet Black. We're gonna try it. Hoping this is a good one. It's a really wet formula. We're getting a big wing. It's cool. I really like how black it is. I'm scared to open my eye though, because it looks so wet on the liner. So far I like it. Obviously I have to wear it and stuff, but it kind of reminds me of like a real liquid liner. But in a pen form. Because you know, a lot of pens, the finish is different. The amount of product is different. Oh, it's even got the little, it just feels much more like a real liquid liner, which I usually like the finish of more. I like the like boldness of a liquid, but I always go with a pen because it's just so much easier to use. So I think I'm gonna end up liking this. I do wish that it was faster to dry down, but I'm not mad at it. I think we're gonna do Tori today. Let's do Tori. As always, Shop Miss A, my favorite lashes in the world, $1.55. Faux mink, amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and these lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, love. So we have lashes on. I am feeling this look. I really like this combination of that yellow and like the kind of cooler brown. I really like it, and that glitter is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. We are going to highlight. Yes, I'm excited. We are going to use the highlighter in this one. This in like the cheek duo, Cantaloupe. I think this is the lightest one. These are so affordable. They're only a few bucks. And so far, I really like the blush in them. I'm excited to like use a highlighter on its own. Brand new highlighter brush from Shop Miss A. Excited. There's cat hairs on it already. Oh. Oh. I like it. For some reason, I didn't expect it to be so intense. I like it a lot. It's good. Kind of goldy for like a fair golden highlight. I feel like, ugh, I have a cat hair. A fair golden highlight is, I don't know, it's hard to find because gold usually pulls so dark, but I feel like this one is good. I'm gonna kind of blend it down over my blush because I love a glowy cheek. We know that. And I'm gonna wet it a little bit and just put it on the highest points of my cheeks because I love, you know, I love all the highlight. So I'm gonna try the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. I'm gonna try it for this, and then I'm gonna apply it all over after that. Fine mist. Such a baby mist. I like it. Yes. So it does get a little more intense when you wet the brush, which I expect. Sometimes some don't, though, and you're like, what was the point? We are going to use my favorite inner corner highlight, which is the Shop Miss A Pigment and Orb brush, and pop it right, boom, boom. And put the tiniest bit on top of that highlight too, just to kind of make it really pop. Okay, for lips, I had two options and I really thought I was gonna go with the dark one, but I still haven't used this one and I'm so excited to use the nude. You could go either way. If you want more of a dark lip, this is Vampy Violet. I think I might save this and do a like super cool toned look with this one. So I think we're gonna try this one. I know, I'm sorry guys, another nude, Shannon, another nude. But again, 800 videos to film today, and I just prefer a nude on me. I will, especially because now we have entered fall. Fall has entered the chat. I will go for a darker one, but I think with this look, I think I'm gonna really like the nude. Shocking. This would work too. This one I'm just too excited to use because this is another one Michaela on TikTok talked about, and she said it was like a dupe for her favorite lipstick ever. So I really want to try it. We're gonna try it. Bella Pierre lip liner in Cinnamon. It's pretty dark, so I'm gonna try and go light with it, but I just want to do like a base line of my lip because my lips are uneven. Okay, now this lipstick I'm so excited about is the Seriously Satin lipstick in Creme. Probably gonna need a gloss because my lips are pretty chapped looking right now. I'm just gonna blend it over that liner. I would probably like the finish of it more if I didn't have such dry of lips right now, but it is what it is. So we're going to use the Lip Plumping Gloss in Peach Bellini. Oh, I almost forgot to use this. So we're going to try this all over the face. The e.l.f. All Nighter Microfine Setting Mist. I think mine's broken. Spraying rather crazily. I'm going to still spray it on my face, so don't mind me. Alright, love, so that is the completed look. I'm feeling it. This look is so me. I know, again, I know it's a little bit basic, but we're just playing with products. And I feel like, especially when I'm trying new products, it's fun to do a look that I would do all the time because then I really get to test it. There's nothing that I didn't love. I was a little bummed that the sprayer on this wasn't working, but I just switched it out. Luckily, I had a different one sitting right there. I did love the sprayer before mine pooped out. I don't know why it did that. But let's go through really quick. The primer, my skin looks good. Like, I don't say that a lot about my skin. Like, I'm very critical of my own skin, but like this, the way my skin looks on camera right now, I'm like, girl. So I really like the foundation. I think the primer really did something because I've used this one. I think I've used the foundation before. Maybe I haven't, but I feel like I have, and I liked it, but I wasn't in love with it. But I feel like that combination is so good. You guys know I love the Halo Glow setting powder. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I'm loving this combination. The glitter is beautiful. The blush is beautiful. Sorry, I couldn't find my contour. But ooh, I really like this lip color. So I already knew I liked the gloss. We know I love the concealer. I love all of it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to e.l.f. for sending me a few little goodies. You guys seem to love e.l.f. like I do. I'm all about super affordable makeup. It's my favorite. And this was a success. This was a hit. A hit. I'm feeling it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Sorry for my mic being a turd, but I think in the next week I am just gonna bite the bullet and buy a new mic because I'm sick of this happening. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Happy fall. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's be friends. Let me know what brand you want to see a lot of next. I just did a Revolution haul. It should be here soon. And I have a bunch of new Friends stuff from Revolution. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Okay, I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. You guys excited for spooky season? I'm so excited for spooky season. Pricey today. Oh my gosh, I just got the best merch idea. Excuse me. I always get burpy when I'm filming. Maybe it's because I'm talking too much, but